In a strange late-night incident that has sparked heated debate online, a woman was caught on camera approaching a parked car and pouring an unknown substance on it before quickly walking away. The video shows her looking around cautiously and moving in a hurry, clearly trying not to attract attention. The car owner reportedly had no idea this was happening, which has raised serious concerns about privacy and safety.
Bafethu umsakazi bafethu bukani bafethu chela imoto kamalungu manje bukani imoto kamalungu bafethu emakhaya kushamba bafethu bukani bafethu emakhaya into ezenzekalayo chela imoto kamalungu bukani umsakazi bafethu uma ngidala nje lokwenza lento uyayicoba angazi ukuthi ucobani lapha bafethu bukani umsakazi bafethu bukani bafethu kodwa emakhaya kunjani bukani umsakazi bafethu bukani.
While some people on social media are immediately labeling the act as witchcraft, others believe there could be more practical explanation that hasn't yet been revealed. What stands out most is the secrecy of the moment, the late hour, the rushed movements, and the fact it was done without permission. However, without clear evidence of what the substance was or what her intentions were, the situation remains open to interpretation. Was this an act of a superstition, a personal dispute, or something completely misunderstood? As investigations and discussions continue, one thing is certain, the footage has left many people unsettled and searching for answers. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.